Greetings from Bangladesh. We are SUST optimistic from Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, participating in the European Rover Challenge 2016. The name of our Mars rover is SUST Optimistic Mars Rover. European Rover Challenge is a prestigious Mars rover competition for the Europe region. We found this place to be perfect to show our ability in an international stage for the first time. We want to participate in ERC to face the new challenges of dynamic processes of this competition, to be introduced with other teams working with similar interests, and to know more about robotics happening around the world. From the past experience in robotics, we hope that we will be a strong competitor this year.
Hi, I am Farhanul Islam, the team leader of SUST Optimistic. I am taking care of all the work groups for building the Mars rover and managing the team. I am also in charge of the software and the coding section of the rover. I try to keep the workflow in order and arrange regular team meetings to keep a better understanding among the team members.
Hi, I am Shafat Hassan Prayash. I am in charge of the electrical part of the rover. I will make sure that communication between rover and base will be safe and sound.
Hi, I am Raghib Shariar. I am working in the electrical part of the team, and I am also working in the sponsor section of the team to manage the sponsors of different companies. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shadid Hassan. I'm taking care of the mechanical part of the Mars rover, and I'm also taking care of the safety department of the rover.
Hi, I'm Shaukat Zaman. I work in mechanical side of the rover team. I'm also contributing in coding and communication of the rover.
Hello, I'm Saiful Islam. I'm helping for rover body and arms too, and I'm a coder of software. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tawfiq Rahman. I have worked for the mechanical works of the rover, and I am also in charge of creating reports and necessary presentation of it.
Hello, I'm Mohammad Saiful Islam here. I'm working with the presentation team of the rover and making the video report of the rover.
Hello, this is Muntasir Mahdi. I am from the electrical section of the rover. I am handling the wiring safety measures of the rover.
Hi, this is Muhammad Omar Farooq Shapon. I am contributing in building the rover's mainframe. I also took part in electrical works of the rover.
We have used rocker bogie mechanism with custom suspensions for the rover. All of the wheels have individual suspension system so that it can perform in different tasks perfectly. We are using 3 pairs of DC geared motors. Custom motor drivers are also built for running the motors since the motors draw a lot of current. The rover is remotely controlled from the base station using Wi-Fi frequency. The operating software has been designed with the programming languages Python and Java. It uses a Raspberry Pi as its main processor, and Arduino Mega is also used. The robotic arm of the rover has been built and designed fully by our mechanical team, and no ready-made products have been used except the actuators and the mounting servo. It has a maximum 6 degrees of freedom, which will help us to complete the maintenance task easily. The total weight of the arm itself is 4.8 kilograms and made completely out of aluminium. The arm rotates on a 270 degree servo motor, which has a very high torque rating, enough to rotate the arm. Keeping the safety measures in mind, we have implemented an emergency power button for the rover, which we call the kill switch. If the rover shows any sign of mechanical or electrical misconduct, it can be turned off immediately by pushing the button. The kill switch is important because it will help the team to take control of the rover from causing any kind of hazards. Lastly, we thank our sponsors for making all this happen. We are waiting for the rover to perform in the European Rover Challenge in September. Thank you for watching the video.